Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Chemah and all my friends. My name is Amira binti Muhammad Amran and my metric number is 2020131491. In these slides, I will present the topic given, which is good manufacturing practices. Moving on, today we are focusing on what is the meaning of good manufacturing practices. What is GMP? GMP is an important part of the overall HACCP food safety system in a food business. Good manufacturing practices can be defined as the operational requirements necessary to enable a food business to produce food safely. To simplify this GMP helps to ensure the consistent quality and safety of the products. Why is good manufacturing practices is important in food industry? GMP are important in order to produce safe food. The food business has a legal and moral responsibility to produce and prepare food that will not harm the consumer. There can be a high cost to the food business if it does not implement an adequate good manufacturing practices. All staff should be trained in the food business GMP procedure. Moving forwards, there are four parts of good manufacturing practices. The first one is personnel. The second one is building and facilities. The third one is equipment and utensils. The fourth is production and process control. The first part is personnel. Personnel should wear clean clothing appropriate for the duties they perform. Protective apparel such as head, face, hand, and arm coverings. Personnel should practice good sanitation and health habits. Any person to have illness or operations that may adversely affect the safety or quality should be excluded from direct contact, knowing when and how to wash their hands. The concept of the quality is defined as the totality of features or characteristics of the product that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. The second part is building and facilities. Focusing more on setup of building and facilities, searching suitable sites, constructions, and location to facilitate cleaning, maintenance, and proper operations, planning an adequate space for hand washing stations, storage of ingredients, and lastly, whole pest management program. The third part is equipment and utensils. More concerns about the conditions of equipment and utensil use. The equipment should be easily cleaned, maintained, and sanitized. All the equipment shall be of food grade, smooth, impervious, non-toxic, non-absorbent, and corrosion-resistant material where it has direct product contact. The fourth part is production and process control. More concerns about the flows of productions and process. Operators should be trained to carry out the productions and control of the product according to the documented and approved procedures, have records on food ingredients, lot identifications, and coding. Records should be made during manufacture and quality control, demonstrating that all the necessary steps required by the defined procedures and instruction were executed as defined, and that the specified quality attributes of the product have been met. Deviations are investigated and documented. A system must be available for recalling any batch from sale or supply. Complaints about marketed products should be examined, the causes of quality defects investigated, and appropriate measures taken with respect to the defective product and to prevent recurrence. There are many benefits for companies who implement a fully compliant GMP program, which will substantially increase the quality of their product and increase revenues and customer satisfaction. Some of the benefits from a proactive approach to a compliant GMP program include greater quality awareness. Greater quality awareness helps staff gain a better understanding of GMP and continually improve the safety of manufactured products and to ensure the consumer get the highest quality possible. The second one is increased efficiency. Operating cost drop as rework and penalties due to non-compliance reduce and efficiency increase. It helped customer, employees, stockholders, regulators, and competitors develop sustainable respect for an organization which demonstrate commitment to natural health product safety. It also preparation for HACCP certification. They can use online newsletter and other internet forums to educate their customer. The third benefits of GMP is a better documentation. Good documentation and record keeping is an essential part of the quality assurance system and is required in compliance with GMP requirements. Accurate record keeping can help managers and supervisors keep track of the historical record of manufacturing procedures and corrective measures implemented. Control cross-contamination. All materials used for production should be stored properly according to its appropriate conditions, which are set by the manufacturers. There should be a proper stock management system implemented to ensure that all incoming materials are correct and of high quality. Why good manufacturing practices is important? GMP are best known as important operational requirements that the food industry needs to produce food safety for their customer. GMP is an important part of HACCP food safety system in the food business to ensure that business produce safe food to the public. That's all from me. Thank you for listening and watching this video. And I hope you have a great day. Stay safe.